So we ran back to the hotel to take a quick nap. It is much later in the afternoon now, but we are headed back into Disneyland for the Halloween party. Yes! This is awesome. We're waiting in line to get in. Everybody has their costumes on, and it's amazing. Yeah, look! Check out this Mickey Halloween ghost balloon! These guys have a special annual pass holder treat location where if you're an annual pass holder, you go over here to the right, and you have your own special spot to go and get a treat. Of course, one of the longest lines here, as with Orlando, is for the meet and greets. Check out Goofy in his awesome costume, though. He's amazing. First stop is this candy station. We're gonna get some candy. Nice little short line for it, too. Inside of Pixie Hollow, they have apples and carrots for us.
This is cute. What is this? This is where you meet.
This is Pixie Hollow.
Oh, I didn't know. We never met her.
Yeah. Fairies are welcome. One more spot on the way out of Pixie Hollow that has, what are the green things? They're peeps. You get green peeps. Thank you so much. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm a failure. Can I have a Reese's? So we just got out of that tree trail that had 3 stations and we could literally just get right back in line and do it again if we wanted to. We might go try to find a different one, but look, there's not a line.
Mickey's Halloween party has now begun. For guests attending this spooky event, welcome. For the convenience of those who are not attending the event, we invite you to enjoy 1 hour of shopping on Main Street before you exit. Thank you.
What? I just noticed this awesome Tinkerbell. I think it's Tinkerbell. Maybe she's just a fairy. But like sculpture here in Pixie Hollow.
Oh, I've never seen that.
Overlooking the fountain here. The sunset's coming. Okay, we've only gone through 1 tree trail twice and our bag is full. Look at this shot of the castle because they're clearing the park. There's nobody in front of it. And they're also playing, what's this from Nightmare Before Christmas? Well, this is, what's it called? The other song. Yeah. Oh no, this is where you would have gone in Frontierland to stay in the park if you came to the park earlier today and then just stayed for the Halloween party. But look at this, it's a sold out night. Ooh, the lights in the trees and the scary purple tree and the Mickey Mouse ghost thingy. Chip and Dale is coming out.
Be careful, chipmunks, these things are the most dangerous animals. They go after your toes. They try to take my, no, you back off there, Chip and Dale. That's completely wrong. No, I don't think so. Yeah, no, Harry Potter, you gotta help me out. These chipmunks are coming after me. Come on, want to easily do something? That's right. No, I'm watching you. I am watching. No, I got the whole DVD. I watch you guys all the time. You're pretty good. Come on. You're gonna tie my feet together? You're gonna do like a little misery thing on me or something? That's just wrong.
Can you guys spot Jen's pink hair in the tree trail over there? I can see it. Fiesta Hoy! Yeah. They have a meet and greet for Wendy and Peter out in front of the Mark Twain. It's awesome. There's another scarecrow over here. Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. How you doing?
Not bad.
Oh, wait, hey, look out, lady. You got a license for that? Yeah, you're about to run over children. I saw you. Oh, you were trying. It is that time of year, right?
Hey, Donald, how are you? Bye. Oh, look. Family's in town, Donald.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, hold on. He's seeing a duck. Donald. Oh, no. Donald's chasing the ducks. He scared the ducks, and the duck flew away. Have a good night. There's Woody over there doing a meet and greet behind the petrified tree. Which, there's a little bit of a story behind that. I'll have to tell you guys that on a different occasion. Yes! They have fog out over top of Rivers of America. That is amazing. Also, look at this sunset right now. It is turning out to be a beautiful night. Look, some fairy godmothers. They look fantastic. Look at how good they look.
Awesome, great job.
Came over to see if they do anything special at their Haunted Mansion like we do. I think they just have Haunted Mansion Holiday and that's what they do special. They've got a big group here that's all dressed up and they've all got their costumes on. They look great. Splash Mountain is closed for refurbishment right now, but look at that sunset behind it. And we were actually waiting in that tree trail line and we decided to get out because it was so long. It switched back to over there and then it came down around the fence here and all the way down to Pooh's before you get any candy. So it's looking like that was probably at least like a 30-minute line. Look, I'm still not to where you get any treats. Where is it? Wow. It's way down there by the exit to Pooh. I'm gonna get down there and see if we can see what kind of candy it is so you guys can see. It is a long wait, but there are 4 different treat stations. One was Pirate Booty. One is something, just regular like candy mix. This one is another thing of candy mix. And then the last one is some candy mix, and it looks like some potato chips. And then let's see what kind of meet and greets we have going on over here. Oh my goodness, it's Pooh in his Bumblebee costume. That is adorable, and Eeyore. And then there's Rabbit over here too. Guys, don't look right now, but there's Waldo. We found him. All this fog on Rivers of America looks amazing. And this is the spookiest music that we could ever hear. Looking out over the foggy river. Ooh.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. This our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the neighbors die of fright. That's our job, but we're not mean. In our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. They pretend to terrorize. Grim pretty ghosts come out to socialize. When you hear the knell of a wrecking bell, weird ghosts gleam where spirits dwell. Restless bones, ethereal eyes, rise as spooks of every size. Grim pretty ghosts come out to socialize. The senior used to take a sudden chill. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. At first you think Cruella is the devil. But after time has worn away the shock, you've come to realize you see her kind of eyes, watching you from underneath the rock. Wow! Cruella, Cruella de Vil, lay down upon the lonely graveyard. That's where I'll be. Oh, it's been years and I'm still waiting. Where could my true love be? Who'll see us at the lonely graveyard, our final resting place.
55 points, that's right.
Oh, so this is the Halloween tree. But yeah, there it is. It's got all kinds of pumpkins and lights and everything in it. If you guys are ever wondering what the main difference between Disneyland and Disney World is, it's the lighting. There is no lighting in Disneyland. It is very dark here at night. Disney World, it's lit up like a Christmas tree all the time. It's a Halloween dance party up in here. Yeah. This is my jam. Ooh. There's like a little show for Tarzan's treehouse with lights and thunder and fog effects. So scary looking. Look at how awesome that looks though. We're going on Indy because it says it's a 15-minute wait. This is unheard of. Everybody's in the treat trails. Look at that. 15 minutes. There's Aladdin and the Genie. We're heading to get a spot for the parade. And I just noticed all the projections down Main Street. It looks awesome. Look at, they're doing like a lighting effect on the castle too to go with the music.
In just 30 minutes, we will be visited by the Headless Horseman and some spooky, spine-tingling spirits.
I just realized they were playing Boo to You.
Starry night.
Everyone having fun at the most miserable place on earth?
Who's seen the puppies? Have you?
Minutes, the lights will be dimmed so you can fully experience our fireworks spectacular Halloween screams.
Princess Mercedes, Max Laryngitis, or Voce to me. Sing it! For unfortunate souls, for unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Well, let the bill, if she doesn't scare you, don't give up that will. Never swell it, Mr. Crocodile. Lump-a-woozle is very confusing. A lump-a-woozle is very sly.
You better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. Hey!
to socialize.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
An excellent day at Mickey's Halloween party. We have so much candy, so looks like we're gonna be eating lots of candy this trip. So I better get on it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Now it's time to pay the price.